Hey y'all, so I told you that I was not wearing my hair right now, right? So you're gonna have to see these different wigs. I bought 2 of them the other day and they kind of suspect. But anyway, so listen, people will project their fears onto you if you let them, right? But you cannot do that. Like when someone tells you that you can't do something, they're really saying that they can't do that, right? And so they want to project their fear of being able to do that thing onto you. So when you take your ideas to people and they say, oh, you can't do that, oh, that's not going to work, please do not allow that to discourage you, because they're just speaking from what they know that they can't do, right? They don't believe that they can do it, so they don't think you can. So push yourself. When you want to do something, you can do whatever you want to do. Just do it. Don't let nobody tell you can't, because you can. What's up, y'all? So listen, I'm sitting at this red light, right? And so I just wanted to shoot this really quick video since TikTok only give us like 59 seconds. Some people are okay with being mediocre. They don't want you to say nothing to them. They want you to just keep letting them bump their head over and over and over and just accepting mediocrity. I have really learned that you just gotta be okay with that and just remove yourself and let people just bump their head and figure it out on their own, and just shut up. Because when you try to help people, they start saying you like like you are coming down on them, or it's you. No, let it be them in the mediocrity view.